Welcome to our deep dive into text-to-video generation. In this video, we will explore how artificial intelligence is transforming simple written descriptions into full-motion video clips and look at the emerging models driving this revolution. So, what exactly is text-to-video? It is a generative artificial intelligence technology where you type a prompt, like a cat drinking coffee, and the computer generates a video clip matching that description. It is similar to text-to-image tools, but much more complex because it involves time and motion. Under the hood, these systems typically use diffusion models. They are trained on massive datasets of videos. When generating, they start with random static noise and gradually refine it, frame by frame, into a coherent video. The biggest challenge is temporal consistency, ensuring that objects do not warp or change randomly as time passes. Several key players are leading this space. OpenAI has Sora, known for its high realism. Runway offers Gen-2 and Gen-3 with powerful editing controls. Pika Labs is great for animation, and Google has introduced Veo. Each model has its own strengths and unique artistic style. Getting good results requires skill in prompting. You cannot just describe the subject, you must also act as the director. You need to specify camera angles, lighting conditions, and the type of motion you want, such as a slow drone shot or a handheld camera feel. The technology is not perfect yet. You will often see physics glitches, like objects vanishing or hands with too many fingers. Also, generating long videos is difficult. Most clips are short, between 3 to 10 seconds, to maintain quality and coherence. Despite limitations, industries are already using it. Filmmakers use it for storyboarding. Marketers create dynamic social media ads quickly. Game developers use it to prototype textures and animations. It is becoming a powerful tool for rapid visualization. This power brings responsibility. There are valid concerns about deepfakes spreading misinformation and copyright issues regarding the data used to train these models. It is crucial for creators to be aware of these ethical boundaries. Looking ahead, we can expect models that generate synchronized sound and dialogue. We will also see real-time generation, where video is created instantly as you speak, and eventually, fully immersive three-dimensional environments generated from text. Text-to-video is still in its early stages, but it is evolving fast. It offers a new frontier for creativity. I encourage you to try out some of the available tools and see what you can create. Thanks for watching, and keep exploring.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.